departing.
This is international departure. Yeah.
Oh no, it's Christmas.
Yeah. Look here, bus is left and Uber keep left. We are not allowed to go to the right side. Just explaining you.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, going home, we have to go in this level 2, right? To get Uber.
Yeah. Departure and pickup is at the same. This is level.
We're going home to the Philippines
this is
for Christmas.
same area
We're
for
at
drop off.
San
Yeah,
Francisco
drop off
International
and
Airport.
the pickup is the same. Yeah.
I see. Okay. Okay. Good to know.
Yeah,
'Cause
just look for
before-
your airline. I don't know which one is it.
Yeah, yeah, just
Yeah, it's fine. We can.
yeah. Nahuman namin yung check-in sa among baggage and immigration. So na namin sud sa airport, padong namin sa among gate. Done with security. Muhap kami og Taiwan and then Taiwan to Cebu. Hello, we're waiting for our flight. 10:30 boarding. We're at gate 6. So at the back is a Katay, pero among sakyan is
Eva.
Eva Air. Sige na, muhapit og Taiwan and then Taiwan to Cebu. So we're excited to see our family in the Philippines.
Chupawan ano?
See you Cebu.
See you, Cebu.
Pasko, New Year o Pitsenyor.
Hi.
Thank you, Senyor Santo Niño.
Video na.
Yeah, boarding time. Good. First flight. San Francisco to Taiwan. Excited. Lumas ko sa Cebu. Mali mong pagkaon sa airplane. First meal. I have garlic pork, steamed rice, fruits, and dessert. Mga unda ninyo, gutom na. We're in Taiwan now. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Ngit-ngit pa. Yeah. Taking off. Hello Cebu. clear. Aduana na siya. Sige lang, you go. Yeah. Pero ang kanindot diri kay way traffic ato ka dito ay nako. Murag 2-3 oras ka una ka makalabang ng siguro manglakaw siguro ng taga-upon.
Elevator na lang.
Elevator ay. Kana.